Today I'm going to be showing you how you can extract just the audio from video clips using Premiere Pro. Now to do this, we're first going to launch Premiere Pro and create a new project. You can use the default settings, but make sure to set the appropriate location for your project first. Then click OK. We will now use the media browser to import the video clips. If you don't already have this open, you can find the media browser under Window. Now that we have imported the videos into our project, we can go ahead and select the video clips that we want to extract the audio from. I will now go into Clip, Audio Options and select Extract Audio. As you can see here, Premiere Pro has created a duplicate file with just the audio. You can also find this in your Explorer or Finder. It is worth mentioning that this does not affect the original clips in any way. We are now going to look at how you can export just the audio from a sequence or an edit that you have made. To do this, you will have to mark in and out points on your sequence for the section of the edit you wish to export. The shortcuts are I and O. Now before exporting, you should make sure only the tracks that you want to export are active. Since I only want to export the audio from my track A1, I will go ahead and mute track A2. To export, we now need to go into File, Export and select Media. For the encoding format, you can choose between MP3 and waveform audio based on your preference and the format of the original audio. Once you have made your selection, you can set the export location and then choose whether the exported file should be imported into your project automatically. Finally, you can click on Export. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thumbs if you liked it, subs if you loved it. I'll see you in the next one.